a fight to get his car fixed or his money back.
And a Denver man says he shelled out thousands of dollars for repairs to this classic car, but a year and a half later, his car still isn't fixed, and the shop says they have no record of his payment.
Denver 7's Lance Hernandez went to get answers from the shop's manager.
Well, the manager says he's only been there a year or so and has had a lot of cleaning up to do. The customer, Carlos Martinez, says he's patronized Denver Engine and Transmission before and was happy with their work. Not so this time. He became very emotional as he told us he feels he's been taken for a ride.
Probably ain't worth a lot, but to me it's worth my heart. You know, my mama bought it for me. She's been dead since '86. That ain't gonna start anyway.
All Carlos Martinez wants to do is get this '63 Ford Falcon, which he got for graduation, running again. It's seen better days. The engine won't start, tires are flat, there are holes in the floorboard. Carlos says he paid Denver Engine and Transmission $1,400 in 2018 to fix the holes and $1,500 last year to fix the engine. But the current manager says he has no record of those payments.
He was there when I gave Daryl the cash, the $1,500. They both were there, Daryl and him. And I counted $1,500 cash, and they both took the money.
Carlos showed us 3 receipts, one for $1,400 on generic paperwork, one for $1,500 on company paperwork. Carlos says when he went to pick up his car, he was told he had to fork over $1,340 for the engine repair, and he got a 3rd receipt.
All I know is I got screwed, and if I wasn't going to pay the $1,340, they were going to keep my vehicle.
I asked the manager if Carlos left money to fix the floorboards with another employee. He said, I couldn't answer that, honestly. I got rid of everybody when I got here because it was bad. He said they installed a new starter, fuel pump, and reset the carburetor, but it won't start because it doesn't have gas. Carlos says he paid to have the engine start and to have the floorboards fixed. He's now going to small claims court.
Regardless if I win or not, I just glad I got my convertible home.
Now, Mr. Martinez says after shelling out $4,200 to Denver Engine and Transmission, he was insulted when they referred to his Falcon as a Flintstone mobile. He says he's not trying to trick out the car. He just wants to get it running safely so he can take it to Blue Mesa Reservoir this summer with the top down. Tom?